Hello guys and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be making lotus cheesecake. And before we start, I just want to say happy Eid. I hope you guys had a wonderful Eid, and yeah, let's get started. Okay, so here's the ingredients for the cheesecake, and yeah, now let's get on with the actual recipe. Okay, so the first step is to mix the butter and the lotus together, and then we're putting it into a big of a pan, and then we're making the edges 1 centimeter longer. Then bake it for 5 to 10 minutes. And now we mix the cheese and the sugar together. And now we'll put yogurt. And now we're adding the eggs and corn flour onto the sugar and the eggs. And we keep mixing. And now we put cream. Okay guys, so now we're going to put the cheese mixture into the lotus mixture, and we're going to put it in a bigger tray that has hot water in it. So that makes it easier to cook, and it makes it nice and good. Now we're gonna put it in the oven. Here's how it looks after we put it in the oven, and here it looks after we decorate it and everything. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed it, a nice little treat, and yeah, thank you for watching, bye bye.